Let's rock. Oh, Mr. Hipster, you've got Kid A on vinyl, and your screenplay is always in its final stage. Oh, Mr. Hipster, you've got Kid A on vinyl, but your screenplay will never make it off the page.
You wanna go? It feels like people dance.
Happy birthday 一首生日歌曲送给你，祝你年年有今日，岁岁有今朝，并且来聆听一下 Come on。来，这是把你的手绘拍摄的看点先生来到舞台之上。
As soon as we enter this province, it starts to get dark. So I don't know how it will look like there.
So we went to sleep yesterday after a very nice night, and when we came back, when we woke up, it was very hot in the room. AC was off, all the lights were off, and what the fuck, we went our lights and I went downstairs, and there was a guy on a raft moving on the road. See, an easy way to get out of here is a motorcycle. Great.
Car.
Oh, look at this. So lucky.
I think they charge people.
Of course.
But are we going to take that?
I don't know if we need. Probably we don't need. How's it?
I'm scared.
That's cool. So yeah, it's raining a lot. It's not gonna stop. The whole province seems to be underwater. Guilin is here. Wow, perfect. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Go first. 谢。
It's a funny day.
What happened?
It's a funny day. Mysterious China.
I need the hand movement.
It's been covered by the flood. The whole street.
But they were very nice, right?
Yeah, and there are some people, they take the boats to carry people to get out of that area for free. At the beginning, I thought they are going to